On this occasion, I would like to express my own thoughts in front of you and tell something about the Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a part of Mahabharata. That is the greatest epic of the world. In 6th chapter, the Bhagavad Gita has been mentioned. That is called also 6th Parva. Gita is not mere a book. This is the book that shows the path of living. So minimum once in life it must be studied. Perhaps the student of the 11th and 12th class, they have crossed more than 15 years. But more than 90% students haven't seen the book of Gita. They don't know that what is in it. And this is really unfortunate for the students that they don't know about the Indian innerist heritage culture. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has told about the work, about the life, about the soul, about the meditation. In Mahabharata there are 18 parts, chapters, and in Gita also there are 18 chapters, more than 700 slokas. And you know, there are only 4 characters in Gita. One, Dhritarashtra, the blind king of Hastinapur. Second, Sanjay. Sanjay was the charioteer, the army advisor, the minister of Hastinapur. And he was gifted by the Vedavyas, Maharshi Vedavyas, the divine eyesight. Sitting in the Hastinapur, he was watching live the battle of the Mahabharata and telling everything to the king of Hastinapur. Do you know about what is the first word of Gita? What is the first sloka of Gita? In Gita, the Gita starts with the words Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samvetayutsavah. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samvetayutsavah. Mamaika Pandavashaiva Kim Kurvati Sanjaya. धृतराष्ट्र पूछते हैं संजय से कि संजय बताइए कुरुक्षेत्र में क्या हो रहा है. This is the beginning of the Gita. And then Sanjay, who was the charioteer, tells everything to Dhritarashtra. Only 2 persons had seen the biggest shape of Lord Krishna. Who was that? One Arjun and second Sanjay. The battle started. But when Arjun saw the people who were fighting against the Pandavas, then at that time he told to Lord Krishna, जब युद्ध प्रारंभ हुआ और 5 जन्य शंख का नाद हुआ, उस समय जब श्री कृष्ण रथ लेकर के सारथी के रूप में आगे बढ़ते हैं,